Rabbit's evil.
I know. Go talk to him.
No, you.
No, you.
Okay, I will. Rabbit, are you evil?
No, I'm nice.
What's that on your fur?
Ketchup?
Are you evil?
Just ketchup. No, I'm nice. Come closer.
Are you evil?
That's just ketchup. That's just ketchup on my mouth. No, I'm nice. Come closer.
Are you evil?
No, I'm nice. Come closer. Ah, ah, ah.
Christian.
Say it again.
What happened to Christian? I think he's dead now.
I'm gonna go talk to Rabbit.
I'm gonna go talk to Rabbit too.
Ah!
I love ketchup. Yum, yum.
Bella!
No! Ah! Ah!
He runs backwards. Boing.
Action.
You go. Rabbit.
Quiet on the set.
Charlotte's enough.
Okay. Now who's next?
Me.
Wait, no, Julian's next. You're last, Bella. You're last.
Did you go cut?
Cut! Get out of the set! Clear the set!
Oh, sorry.
Clear the set. Okay, ready? Say. Okay.